trapped for agonizing hours on an ice-slicked highway. Hundreds of motorists were caught in the disaster. The caravan stretched all the way in the distance on I-20 in northern Louisiana. Alysa Jones and her fiance Devan Allen were stuck for 17 hours.
It was standstill traffic back to back for miles, and there was just no getting out anywhere.
Do you have food?
We had some chips and some peanuts.
As the hours went on, they realized they'd be there for the night.
We probably slept maybe 4 hours.
They had enough gas to stay warm, but they say other drivers didn't and started freezing.
It got to a point that some vehicles around us started turning off their cars, which I feel terrible for them because they probably just didn't have enough gas.
At 8:30 this morning, they knew they had to do something, so they drove onto the highway shoulder.
It was packed with snow and everything, but we just rode the shoulder the whole way.
An hour later, they finally reached an exit.
Finally made it off of I-20 through the shoulder. It was rough on a car. We just climbed up on the bridge.
You can see the sun rising in the distance as they took video of the scene from an overpass. Those vehicles still aren't moving.